this one go, even though his beard's dragging the ground. We're right up on the 7,007-mile hill road, right out my back door. Get you some. Trying to get them to talk back, but they're being quiet this morning. My throat's not good. I can't make my turkey calls very good because I just woke up. I haven't had my first cup of coffee. You can tell I need to work on it because they're running away. They're hiding behind the trees. Oh, there comes some more. They're coming in. They're coming in. They're coming in. I should have been sitting in my chair this morning. Oh, they're on the run now. They gotta